Alright, what up peeps? Welcome to Castle Tech. Here I am in the house. Where have I been? What have I been doing? A whole lot. So here I am in Boston, in Braintree that is. Getting the brakes done on the whip. And then I figured I might as well go to this old trail that I used to go to. What's that place called? Hingham. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go up there, do some riding, then hit the highway. So I got the bike with me, and it's been about 3.5 weeks since I've ridden it because one bolt was literally $80. That's all I needed, and it had to be ordered from Denmark, and then it had to get shipped to the store in Utah, then shipped to me. So it was a whole process, but I got it, and yeah. So today I'm gonna go out for a ride. I mean, I rode lightly, but today I'm gonna do some hard riding, depending on the time. So what have I been doing? Where have I been at? Well, man, that's a whole nother conversation. But what I can tell you is that I do have some new bike racks. So I'll show you guys on the Jeep and on the whip a little bit later in another review. It's the one-up bike racks, and I saw those in New Hampshire, and I saw a dude with a really nice Porsche, and I was like, what is that? And he's like, it's a one-up. I'm like, what? He's like, a one-up. And it was such a nice, classy bike rack, and it really made the car look extra dope, and I was like, wow, I gotta get that. But what I didn't know, and the dude schooled me on something, sorry, because I didn't want to get my bike scratched up, so I put some leaves right there while it's leaning there, because they didn't want to be liable for the bike being on the car while they're doing the repairs. So I'm just sitting out there. So this bike was the same size as mine, and he's like, yeah, these bikes are designed for these bike racks are designed for large bikes. And I didn't know, because I'm going on my third bike rack, and what I didn't know, my bike is an XL2, and anytime you buy a bike rack, oh wow, this is the next thing I need to buy right here. I think it's coming this way. See that Amazon truck, like one of those to store the bikes in? I mean, I only have one bike, but moving it around from, vehicle to vehicle, it's like, but if I have like one purpose vehicle, that will definitely work. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So he said when you have an XL bike, you have to measure the wheelbase and then buy the rack accordingly. So I've been buying Thule, Yakima, and all that stuff, and those racks have been breaking on me, and I didn't know. So contacted one up, got a couple racks, and I gotta tell you, night and day difference. See, you learn something new every day. So yeah, so if you have an XL bike, just remember, measure the wheelbase. I mean, people probably already know that, but I didn't know that. Yeah. So with that, I'll show you guys. I got to get the Jeep and get the car side by side, and I'll show you guys the rack review. Because on the Jeep it has a 2-tier rack where it's fixed for 2 bikes, and on the car it has just the 1 rack with the add-on rack. And basically what that means, like today, I'm in the car, I'm riding solo, so I only need one tray that holds the 1 bike. I don't need to draw attention to myself having 2 bike racks. I mean 2 trays on the car. So it's really sleek, and man, it's just dope, yo. I'm telling you, it's just dope. Here comes the Jeep right here. Nice. I like those. So I'll show you guys, let you guys know what it's all about. So yeah, just stay tuned. And according to the bike pros, they're telling me this tire is gonna get me through the winter. So the front tire is looking good. It's just a big difference when you're in dirt all the time. So, yep. So hopefully I'm out of here in like an hour and a half. And if I am, I'm gonna hit the trails at Hingham, and if not, I'm just gonna hit the road because I don't want to get stuck in that traffic heading up to New Hampshire. So So that's what it's all about. Flying cat, everybody. Yeah, that's about it. So,